Elon Musk just threatened Putin. We are at the brink of World War III. While Russia invading Ukraine has started many debates over the globe, some people are really concerned about the future of our beloved planet. Elon Musk is one of them. In this world of advanced technology, a full-fledged war can really harm the planet. Because apart from the threats of ballistic missiles and nuclear weapons, the horrifying possibility of cyber attacks and AI-driven weaponry also exist. The tech genius already issued a warning against the dangerous intent of Russian President Vladimir Putin. In this video, we'll be talking about why Elon Musk just threatened Putin. In this environment of terror, we should be concerned about this, and I know you are damn interested too, so stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to Elon Musk Planet. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update on the new things we bring for you regarding the tech magnate Elon Musk and his wild endeavors. That being said, let's begin. Elon Musk has stated once again that artificial intelligence poses the biggest existential threat to humanity, this time by causing a third global war. But now the man whom he is lecturing is none other than the Russian President Vladimir Putin. Musk is clearly concerned about the possibility, as the SpaceX, Tesla and the Boring Company CEO tweeted about how AI may lead to the end of the planet. Russian President Vladimir Putin made a speech that sparked his anxieties. Artificial intelligence is the future, not only for Russia, but for all humankind. It comes with colossal opportunities, but also threats that are difficult to predict. Whoever becomes the leader in this sphere will become the ruler of the world. Musk's response appeared on Twitter saying, "It begins." It seems the scary possibility of taking control of the entire world using the power of artificial intelligence is not a matter to take lightly. Musk, who has previously expressed fears about artificial intelligence posing a danger to humanity, added that national rivalry for AI mastery will most likely be the cause of World War III. According to Musk, China, Russia, and soon all countries will have a firm grasp on computer science. He noted that the conflict may not be started by country leaders, but by the AI system itself. Meanwhile, Musk, who is notorious for making wild forecasts, suggested that governments throughout the world may force firms to hand up AI systems built by them at gunpoint, if necessary. Elon Musk also snarled at Mark Zuckerberg after the Facebook CEO dismissed concerns of a superintelligence going rogue as fanciful. Musk said that he discussed AI with Zuckerberg and concluded that the Facebook founder's knowledge of the issue is limited. Musk is less concerned about the North Korea's growing nuclear ambitions, claiming that launching a nuclear missile would be suicide for Pyongyang and that Pyongyang doesn't have any entanglements that would lead to a world war even if it did. In his opinion, AI is vastly more dangerous than North Korea. For a long time, Musk's fear of AI warfare has been a motivating factor in his public remarks. He was one of more than 100 signatories to a petition seeking a UN-led ban on lethal autonomous weapons. The letter stated, once developed, lethal autonomous weapons will permit armed conflict to be fought at a scale greater than ever, and at timescales faster than humans can comprehend. These can be weapons of terror. Weapons that despots and terrorists use against innocent populations, and weapons hacked to behave in undesirable ways. We do not have long to act. Once this Pandora's box is opened, it will be hard to close. Elon Musk is concerned that countries, particularly the Russian government, may compete for artificial intelligence supremacy, resulting in World War III. That surprising revelation was made all the more shocking by the world's low expectations for Russia, which US Senator John McCain characterized as a gas station masquerading as a country. While huge Russian information technology businesses like Yandex and Mail.ru Group have spent heavily in AI research and developed neural network-based products, their accomplishments are dwarfed by those of larger Western competitors. Even Russian venture capitalists appear to be exploring outside of Russia for AI potential. Despite this, Russia has a lot of AI research going on. Alexei Samsonovich of the Moscow Engineering Physics Institute is on a quest for emotionally intelligent AI, and the government is using the technology in electronic government and military efforts. In recent months, state-sponsored media headlines on AI's possible military applications have increased. They include an AI system to assist pilots in flying fighter planes, a project by the Kronstadt Group in St. Petersburg to equip drones with artificial intelligence, a similar effort by the Tactical Missiles Corporation for missiles, and a neural network-based Kalashnikov combat module. The specifics of these operations are unknown, and the agencies may be inflating their significance for propaganda purposes. However, given that Russia has been known to experiment with network-centric warfare, especially during its military action in Syria, AI applications seem a natural next step. This war against Ukraine may witness dangerous AI weapons. In Russia, military uses of AI are expected to outpace civilian applications. Given the Silicon Valley-centric structure of the company, they have fewer restraints than Russian private enterprises or academic researchers because of assured government funding. This is not the first time Elon Musk is linked with Russia's endeavors. When Russia launched an anti-satellite weapon, it blew up a decommissioned Russian spacecraft into almost 15,000 trackable bits of space debris, shocking the worldwide space community. When you're stuck on a decrepit space station, parts of satellites flying about the Earth at almost 17,000 miles per hour are terrible. The reaction was swift. The US termed the actions irresponsible and said it will not be allowed. NASA was stunned. Russian satellite debris might pose a serious danger to SpaceX's existence in space. In reality, a Crew Dragon spacecraft is now attached to the International Space Station. Then there's SpaceX's Starlink network of satellites. The freshly formed cloud debris is currently orbiting the Earth at a distance of between 275 and 323 miles. The majority of space companies' broadband satellites circle the Earth at a distance of 341 miles, which is not too far away. Earlier, Roscosmos director Dmitry Rogozin sent a series of sarcastic and angry tweets at Biden and the West. He said that Russian engines provide the power to raise the station's height to overcome atmospheric drag, and to move the lab out of the way when space debris threatens the station. He also took a shot at Elon Musk, accusing him of polluting low Earth orbit by deploying hundreds of Starlink broadband satellites. A translation of his tweet said, "Maybe President Biden is off topic, so explain to him that the correction of the station's orbit, its avoidance of dangerous rendezvous with space garbage, with which your talented businessmen have polluted the near-Earth orbit, is produced exclusively by the engines of the Russian Progress MS cargo ships." In addition to that, Russia's space authorities expressed surprise at the hysteria surrounding SpaceX's successful mission. SpaceX made history by becoming the first private firm to take humans into orbit, breaking Russia's long-held monopoly on space travel. Musk took a shot at Russian space commander Dmitry Rogozin, who previously claimed that Washington would be compelled to transport its astronauts to the ISS via trampoline. Musk, at a post-flight news conference alongside NASA Administrator Jim Bridenstine, threw a sarcastic bomb by saying, "The trampoline is working." In addition to that, Musk even confronted Putin over the environmental concerns of this planet. It's no wonder that Musk believes renewable energy will be critical for humanity. Musk made this opinion extremely obvious during an interview with anchor Liz Hayes, arguing that if energy isn't renewable, it won't last. And we all know that Russia is one of the largest oil and natural gas producers in the world. Musk said it's a definition that if it's not renewable, it's going to run out at some point. And we will have the choice of the collapse of civilization and into the dark ages we go, or we find something renewable. Leaders from around the world may have made bold commitments to limit the usage of fossil fuels. The dangers of a warming planet are no less dire now. But the debate over the critical transition to renewable energy has been overshadowed by concerns about energy security, as Russia, Europe's largest energy supplier, started a major conflict with the West over Ukraine, and oil prices are climbing toward $100 per barrel. Energy security concerns are particularly severe in Europe, which is highly reliant on Russian coal, oil and gas exports. Some lawmakers have linked this to demands to increase local fossil fuel sources to lessen reliance on Russian imports. Meanwhile, climate skeptics have narrowed their attention to domestic oil and gas, even going so far as to say that renewable energy is part of the problem. It goes without saying that among the few people who are concerned about the health of this planet, Musk is one of the most prominent ones. From the threats of AI weapons to promoting uses of sustainable energy, Musk has always contradicted Putin and the Russian government. What do you think? Is Musk's prediction correct? Will President Putin do something about Musk's warning? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. So the video is at its end. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friend and near ones. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon right next to it so you will never miss any video from our channel. See you in the next video. Until then, peace.